In its newest briefing, the Daily Kos says that in Zaporizhzhia area, there's supposedly a lot of action there, including several reports that Ukrainian forces have advanced multiple kilometers into formerly Russian-occupied territory. Basically, Ukraine has repelled a number of Russian attempts at a breakthrough along this front. In the Kherson area is a lot more interesting. After moving across the Inhulets River south of Davidov Brid, Ukrainian forces seemed to quickly expand the bridgehead and move swiftly east to liberate a number of small villages. However, Ukrainian movements toward the northern bridge at Novokakhovka continue to be mostly held up at Bruskinsk, a location that has been reportedly heavily fortified by Russia. In a reversal of the normal reporting of events during this war, Ukraine had made multiple moves toward Bruskinsk but has been repelled by dug-in Russian forces. However, fighting in the area continues. On the southern end of the line, along the highway heading straight into Kherson, there are reportedly a lot of battery-counter-battery artillery battles underway. Whether Ukrainian forces in the area have any of the new Western artillery to engage with isn't clear. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense announced that a Russian battalion, the Motorized Infantry of the 1st Army Corps, had refused to participate in hostilities in the Kharkov region due to losses received in combat with Ukrainian defenders. The focus of much of the fighting appears to be over in the western half of this area. There are reports that Ukraine has not just assaulted but recaptured Katimlia. That east side of the river bridgehead is expanding. It's unclear how much force Russia has detached to deal with these fights, but as Ukraine threatens their supply lines in 2 locations, expect that to change. On the south, Russia is about 7 kilometers closer to Slavyansk than previous reports, as well as positioning them where it might be possible to control both sides of a river crossing. Russia is also advancing in Severodonetsk, and it seems that they will capture the city soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.